Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on and say hello. We are still in the room. It is raining and really crappy out. We did not make it to the Japanese restaurant tonight for supper. The beach party was canceled. But you know what? We've been coming to these places for 10 years, like coming down south, and we've never had rain, ever. That it was like the whole day. So we can't really complain. We did get to go to the beach too today and jump the waves and all that fun. So we did have a really good time. I came back. I just got out of the shower a little bit ago, and I am just kind of relaxing now. We ordered room service. I'm getting some chicken soup, and we got some pizza to share. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna play some cards and stuff like that. So, anyways, it turned out to be a good day. Tomorrow's supposed to rain too. We're hoping that it's not supposed to rain as much, so we're hoping that it doesn't. We have a hydrotherapy massage booked, which is like it's in like a big jacuzzi. Happy vacation. Okay, so we're a little wet. We went to breakfast by the pool, and yeah, this is fun. This is our bungalow area, like where we enter to get into where our room is. Yeah, and it's supposed to do this all day. So, not.
The ground rat.
We all look like drowned rats, Mary. It's okay. Hey guys, so I just want to come on and say hello. We are complete messes. Kelly actually went now. She's gone to get an hour massage, so that's really nice. I'm not getting a massage. I'm not 100% comfortable getting massages. I don't know. I'm sure it's beautiful, but I did get one before, but I'm just not 100% into it. So I'm going to tell you guys a funny story that I forgot to tell you guys. So for breakfast we go down, and so they have like, it's a buffet, right? So they have like the metal container, like hot plates kind of thing with like the food in it and stuff like that. Like, so one has like eggs in it, one will have like bacon or whatever, right? So there's one, so sometimes the ones that have like fried salami or things like that, what they'll do is they'll lay bread flat on the bottom, and then they'll put, sorry. So they'll lay flat, bread on the bottom, and then they'll put the like fried salami on top of it, and then that like gets the grease, so it's not like sitting in grease. So it's really smart. And there's a section that they have like French toast and waffles and stuff like that. So not yesterday, I think the day before, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get some French toast today. So I go over and I'm getting like the French toast or whatever. I'm like, oh, the bread feels weird. So I like put syrup on it and like a little drizzle of like chocolate syrup on it. And so that's fine. So I'm sitting there and I take it back to the table and I eat my eggs and stuff. And then I'm starting my French toast. I'm like, it just tastes weird. Like, it's strange. So Mary's like, what are you doing with that? And she's like, isn't that the greasy bread? Like, so Mary's like, isn't that the greasy bread? Like, it's in the bottom. I'm like, no, it said French toast over it. And she's like, that doesn't look like French toast. Like, there's no egg. Like, that's not French toast. So I stopped eating it. Like, I ate half of it. And then I stopped eating it because I was like, maybe it is the greasy bread. So now I'm not 100% sure if it's greasy bread or not. So anyways, it's just kind of a funny story, because then today we went to like an a la carte breakfast where we actually get to, and then I stopped eating it because I was like, maybe it is the greasy bread. So now I'm not 100% sure if it's greasy bread or not. So anyways, it's just kind of a funny story, because then today we went to like an a la carte breakfast where we actually get to order off a menu. So I'd ordered toast and I got the waffles, and then they came out with this toast. So we were like, oh, is this the greasy? They're like, there's the girl that likes that greasy bread. Anyways, it was really funny. Maybe he had to be there, but We laughed a lot about it. I thought it was funny. But yeah, gross if I was eating the greasy bread. I guess we'll never know, but I will definitely report back. Mary says it was definitely greasy bread. So yeah, that's my story. So we have just been doing literally nothing. Kelly watched Bohemian Rhapsody. Now she's gone for a massage. Me and Mary just kind of vegged out and we're sleeping in our beds. Like, that's pretty much what we've been doing. It's been pouring rain. It's not pouring rain now, so we are going to slip out, I think, and go grab a couple pieces of pizza at the little pizza place because we didn't have lunch. And Yafrizi, our butler, is on his way here because they don't have Diet Coke, so he goes and gets us Diet Coke and we just buy it because I need Diet Coke because I'm type 2 diabetic. He also does our reservations for us, and right now he's getting us an umbrella. So we're going to run over, get some pizza. I'm legit going looking like this. I'm just throwing a dress on and a bra. And I'm going to go get some pizza. Then we're getting ready for tonight, and tonight is the steakhouse, which I'm super excited about. It should be delicious. So yeah, so we're going to the steakhouse. It's going to be delicious. I will take all of the pictures. And then tomorrow it's supposed to rain again, so we are going to go shopping, I think, if it is. If not, hopefully not. We do have that hydro massage we were supposed to have today. With the rain and stuff, we just decided not to bother going because we would just get soaking and it's just not fun. But yeah, our butler's bringing us an umbrella right now so that we can go out tonight just in case does start to rain again. But yeah, I think we're just going to have a quiet night, maybe play some cards again. We do still have until Friday afternoon, so Monday is supposed to rain, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is supposed to be really nice. And we have good shows and good restaurants and lots of fun things planned. We're going to go to the pool. We're going to soak up as much of the sun as we can before we go home. But yeah, hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and I will definitely check in later. Hello, this is my dress for tonight. It's a short dress, just pretty basic. We're going to the steakhouse for supper, and this is comfortable. It's still kind of crappy out, but hoping tomorrow is supposed to be nice. So yeah, I'm getting a pretty good tan, not the last 2 days, but overall. But yeah, again, hope you guys are having a great day. I will show you guys the steakhouse and where we go after and all that stuff. So I will check in soon. Bye. This is just the beach at night. And so that's the ocean right there. And then this is where we ate today. down there, right, oops, sorry, where's my finger? Oh, right there, that was like literally where we sat. That's the grill, and this is just the pool. And there's Mary and Kelly. And we're just kind of walking around because we've been stuck in the room all day and it's finally not raining. So, just relaxing. Okay, so this is where the pizza place is. So, all day from 11 a.m. until 3 a.m. they have pizza here. And I'll just show you. They don't have it up right now, though. I think they're making it. That's cool. Okay, so this is the hydro massage room. So Mary and Kelly are in the sauna. And then over here is a showers. And then this is like a pool that's basically regular temperature. And there's little beds that you can lay on. And then this was the like hot tub part. This is where I spent all of my time. It was right in there. It was beautiful, all the jets. And then this one here is more like a cold one, so that you can get out and get into the cold. And then they have a little area with water, and that's a steam room. So this is the room that we're in. And we got this for half an hour for free because we're premium. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Hey guys. Hope you guys are all having had a good Monday. I am in the room by myself. Not feeling 100%. Seriously. My sugars have been high. So I got rid of all of my candies and chocolates and any treats that I had here. They're gone. And I'm going to really like not have desserts and stuff like that for the next few days because I just think it's just my sugars might be high. So that's the life you live when you're on vacation and you eat the things that you're not supposed to eat. And you're allowed to eat them. But having diabetes, you're not really supposed to have them. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So just haven't been feeling the best. So I came back to the room early. I did not even go to dinner. So so I ordered in room service. I got chicken fingers and a little pizza thing. But yeah, it wasn't, I was just trying to get like low salt, like low sugar. So I didn't really want anything too carbish. But yeah, it was really all they had. They don't really have the greatest room service menu here. But yeah, the girls are in the lobby dancing and having fun. And I am getting ready to go to bed. And yes, I see there's candy back there. That's not mine. I'm not going to eat at someone else's treats. But yeah, that's all that's going on, guys. Nothing exciting. Today was another beautiful day. Thank goodness it stopped raining, so it was nice. It was really busy here today. On the weekends, they let locals, like Dominicans, rent rooms and stuff like that. So the lunch buffet, the breakfast buffet, like the breakfast buffet, there was no plates. And it was literally like packed. So that's not so fun, but because of COVID, I understand they're trying to get money back because they were closed for so long and they lost like a lot of staff and things like that. So I totally get that. This is a third world country. I'm not saying anything bad about it. It's just that it does get busy. So, but tomorrow it'll be back to normal, and we're going to the steakhouse again tomorrow night. So that's really good. So I'll have a nice steak, and I'm not going to get dessert, but I will get dessert and give it to the ladies because they love chocolate and it's chocolate cake. But yeah, so tomorrow we're going to go to, today we did the hydrotherapy massage. It was super nice, super fun. Yeah. I'm getting to the point that I'm like ready to go home, but not ready to be done on vacation. If you know what I mean. Like, I miss my husband so much, and I miss my cat so much, and I just want to be home, and I want to be like in my own bed. These beds are nice, but again, they're a little harder than I'm used to, so my body kind of aches a little bit in the morning when I get up because I'm just not used to it as much. But yeah, so everything's really great here, but I just want to get back to the basics, back to my food, back to my bed, back to my husband, and that's it. But I don't want to go back to work, so I do want my vacation to keep going. So we leave here Friday afternoon. We get into Halifax like Saturday night. Friday night, but early Saturday morning. So then when we get there, we are going to a hotel for the night. And then we're going to check out at like 11 or 12. We're going to go to Costco, and they have a Popeyes over there. And we don't have Popeyes like anywheres in the Maritimes. So we're going to go there, I think, for lunch, try that. But yeah, I think we're just going to go home. We might make another stop. I have a dress I want to return to Torrid. So I'm going to return that. And yeah. That's it, guys. Then I go home, and then I'm off for 3 days. We have Mother's Day, and then I'm off the Monday and Tuesday. So I will be home to see my husband on Saturday night, and I cannot freaking wait. I think he's excited to see me too. So, but yeah, I'm going to go to bed. Sorry, I've been rambling. Hope you guys all had an absolutely wonderful day, and I will definitely check in tomorrow. Again, not much planned. Think we're going to go shopping, so I'll kind of take you along to that. But yeah, good night, sweet dreams, and I'll check in later. Bye.